Good morning, Ryan.Walters here, your Coachella Valley Realtor. Today we're at 84627 Litoral Court in Indio, California. This is in Terra Lago, which is a huge development with a large golf course. And what's surprising about this home is here in the desert, we are lakeside for a change, and poolside. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath, just under 2,700 square feet. And I'd like to thank Teresa Torminian for allowing me to host an open house today and tour this property. If you guys have any questions, my contact information is in the description below. And anything I can help with for this home or any ideas in this valley, you can always reach out. Let's go in and take a look.
Yeah. No. 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 Yeah. No. 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 No.
There you have it all. Thank you for touring this gorgeous home with me today. If you could please do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe, that'll help me to keep this channel running. Would love to know what you guys thought of this home. Feel free to drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts, any questions or ideas, and what you would do here. If there's anything I could do for this home or any other homes here in the valley, would love to be a resource for you and help you move into this gorgeous city. Please reach out if I can help with anything. All my contact information is in the description below, and have a great weekend.